Sunday. It's Sunday and I'm trying to get ready to participate in Denise Jordan's Spring Kitchen Vignette. So here's my kitchen. And trying to gather a few things to get set for this vignette. So if you want to see what I'm going to do and probably put back in that corner over there. Happy Sunday, guys. I am participating in a challenge that's being hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. And Denise is doing her Spring Kitchen Vignette 2020 challenge. And I like to participate in them from time to time. Usually I'll put my tray back here in the corner. Denise always asks for a tray, something with words on it, some florals or something like that. So for this spring vignette, I'm going to use a few things that I already have. And this first thing that I'm using is a Lazy Susan that I DIY'd recently. And I'll see if I can include a clip of that. This was a thrift find. It had a big K on it, and as you know, my name does not begin with the letter K. So I kind of smoothed that out, sanded it out, and painted it, chalk painted it. So I'm going to use something I already have, like this rabbit, this little bunny from actually not last year, just a couple years ago. This teapot that I got from a flea market not long ago, and I'll insert the video where that came from. I have to have something with words in it, so I think I'm going to use this, but let's see how this all works out. And I'll bring in some florals. So let's get started. Okay, so I've moved it over to the corner. I think I can live with this for now, guys. I'm loving how the bunny, the gold in the bunny's ears is playing off of the gold in the tea kettle, in the teapot. Okay, I think I can live with this. And I like the fact that it's on a Lazy Susan, so I can move. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to check out the playlist and go over to Denise Jordan's channel and check out her channel as well. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for my returning friends, and I appreciate you so much. Take care.